Besides price, the iPhone SE is the cheapest Apple handset on the market. After all, the key selling point with this new phone is the design. The chassis, as I've mentioned above, is precisely the same as on the iPhone 5 and iPhone 5S, and beyond coming in rose gold, doesn't offer anything new at all. That said, so many people are looking at the iPhone's evolution to the 4.7-inch display of the 6 and 6S and scrunched their noses up a bit, not wanting to make the leap to the larger size of screen, and that's before we even get into the iPhone 6S Plus mega size. The new phone is designed to be easily operated with one hand, the 4-inch screen sitting just at the edge of a thumb stretch, and Apple is banking on this fact keeping the handset current. However, internally things are genuinely supercharged, the world away from the innards stuffed into the handset from a few years back. The camera has had one of the biggest overhauls, now coming with a 12MP eyesight sensor found in the current flagship phones, and offering the same array of tricks. That means focused pixels to offer clearer and faster autofocus, the improved two-tone flash in live photos, where a small amount of video is captured with every photo taken. 4K video recording and ultra slow-mo movie modes really help sweeten the deal too. The power of the iPhone SE is something to behold as well. It's as powerful as the iPhone 6S and 6S Plus thanks to having the A9 chip, the M9 coprocessor and 2GB of RAM. Compare that to the A7 chip with a measly 1GB of RAM from the iPhone 5S, and side by side they're absolutely night and day in terms of speed and battery life management. The M9 coprocessor is an important element too, telling the phone when it should be heading into a dormant mode thanks to being sat quietly on a desk or in a pocket, which prevents the battery-hungry pings that lead to the red line of doom and you needing to reach for the charger at 6 p.m. Battery life is impressive on the phone, especially when you consider there are only a few mAh added in here, from 1560 mAh to 1624 mAh, and with no increase to the size of the chassis at all. This is a really impressive feat and addresses one of the key concerns I had with the iPhone 5S.